Hey JD,
Hi DJ, what can I do for you?
what is the temperature at my house?
Let me see what your Nest Thermostat says. The temperature at your house is 20.5 degrees Celsius.
Thank you JD.
Anytime DJ.
Load Easy Builder. Load the latest JD project from the Easy Cloud Robot App Store. Let's give Easy Builder access to your Nest thermostats. Options, Global Settings, Nest. Get verification code. Agree to Easy Builder having permission to access your Nest thermostat. Log in to the Nest website with your credentials. Copy the PIN code into your clipboard. Paste the PIN code and verify. Easy Builder now has access to your Nest thermostat. Project, Add Control, Miscellaneous, Nest. The Nest control is now added to your project. Add control, Audio, Speech Recognition. Speech recognition is now added to your project. Your JD must be connected to the network in client mode. See the description of this video for a link to the client mode tutorial.
I have successfully connected to your network.
Connect to JD on your local network. Connect to JD's camera on your local network. Configure speech recognition. Enter the phrase, "What is the temperature of my house?" Press the multi-line script edit button. Cheat sheet. Locate Nest and select the control command with the parameter run once. Looking at all declared variables, we do not see any Nest variables yet. Run the script to have the Nest control fetch variables from your Nest devices. Refresh the variable list to see all Nest variables. Say EZB, the temperature of your house is, plus, click on Nest Temp C, plus degrees. Let's add an action at the beginning of the script to give JD some personality. In the cheat sheet, locate the auto position action thinking, then select. Save the script, save the speech recognition config, speak the phrase, "What is the temperature of my house?" and receive a response from JD while he executes the thinking animation.
The temperature at your house is 20.5 degrees Celsius.
Thank you, JD.